Okay, so let's now look at actually giving the assessment. So there's two ways to do this. One is paper and pencil, the other is online. Let's start with paper and pencil. So the first thing you're going to want to do is print out the assessment. So you go to Assessments, Created, find yours, and there you can print it. Then if you go to Trackers, your class, that's where you're going to find the assessment. So it has all the different standards. So if you use this a lot, it would be populated with data. But if you scroll over, you're going to see that assessment that you made. And you see print bubble sheets. What this is going to do is it's going to create these automatically generated bubble sheets for each student in your class. So you can print these out and give them to each one. So you see it has their name, their ID number all already filled in. So they take the test on that. And then if you hit Assess, you're going to see the screen right here. In the top right, you got a picture of me. And what you can do is you can just hold up the answer sheet here. And it automatically grades it. I just randomly bubbled, so Marie Middle Schooler didn't do too well. So you can do that for each, and it's going to do the grading for you, which is kind of nice. Another way that you can do this is you can have them take the test online. I guess you can do a combination of each. For this, you need a test ID, which is a little weird to find. When you're on this page, if you hit Assess on any of those columns, they're all going to bring you the same thing. It's going to generate for you this test ID. So you give that to students, and if they go to our website and go to Student Links, I put in Mastery Connect link here, and they plug in their test ID, which you grab there, then their ID number, I think I made a student with that, and here they're going to have then the test. Let's just answer A for all these, and they can go through and take it online. This is going to work on iPads, devices, anything like that. So if you're digging a BYOD, you can have students do that. I kind of have to filibuster while I take this test, but you get the idea. It's keeping track of how much time they spent on each. I think it's only 13 questions. We're almost there. So just talk amongst yourselves while I finish this up. Okay, so then you got the option to submit, go back, add some time, and it'll show them right away. You get the immediate feedback, didn't do well, to 13, 15%. It's going to show the different standards. Again, I wish it said what the standards were. What can you do? So then on the teacher screen, you get the data popping up as you go through. So again, assessing, you can print it out, use these little bubble sheets, and it's going to grade it for you. You can get that test ID by hovering over Assess, clicking there, grabbing one. Either way, you're going to get some data for the students that we can then share with each other. So that's how you actually give an assessment.